My dear students, now we are going to talk about how to multiply two fractions. The question here says 4 divided by 5 times 2 divided by 3. Let's go ahead and do that. When you need to multiply two fractions, first make sure you have the division line on top as a numerator. Just focus on the numerators here. That's 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Write that on top. In the bottom as a denominator, focus on that. 5 times 3, that's 15. Write down 15. And can you simplify that fraction? Is there any other lower term other than that? No, I don't know. You can't divide both numbers with any number, so that's the lowest term. Done. Let's move on to another example. 2 times 4, also 8. 7 times 3, that's 21. And you can't simplify that, so that's the answer. And now let's look at the next example. 4 times 3, that's going to be 12. And 5 times 2, that's going to be 10. Now this is not where we're gonna leave the answer as it is, because I can clearly see that both numbers can be simplified by 2. So let's divide that by 2. I will be having 6. And let's divide that by 2. I will be having 5. 6 divided by 5, that's the answer. Let's do one more example. Okay. 3 divided by 5 times 10 divided by 9. Let's go ahead to that. That will give me 30. 3 times 10 is 30. And 5 times 9, that's supposed to be 45. And I see that they are the multiplication of 15. So I can divide both numbers by 15. So I will be having 2 divided by 3. That's the answer. Now, please be patient with me. Don't close the video yet, because I'm going to do those last two questions using a different method, and I believe that's the best way to multiply two fractions. So let's just copy that. Or let me just do it here. Let's just do it here. So, what is the way? The way is, those are the numbers supposed to be divided by those numbers. So before you do the multiplication, you do the simplification right over there. So 4 divided by 2. 2 is now gone. 4 divided by 2, that will give you 2 only. And between 2 and 5, no, it's not gonna work. So this is the best you can do. There is nothing else to do here. Let's do 2 times 3, which is 6, divided by, there is nothing here. Remember, the 2, it divided, it canceled out itself. So we only have 5 there. So let's write that down. That's the best way. And let me just do the next example. And whatever I do, I know I'm going to end up with 2 divided by 3. Let me show it to you. So over here, 5 divided by 10. It will cancel out. Now I'm just going to have nothing here. Over here, I'm going to have 2. And over here, 3 and 9, they can cancel out each other. 3 goes away and 9 becomes 3. So I have no number left here. Those numbers, they were divided. What is left is 2 divided by 3. So that's the easiest way, but doesn't matter whichever way works for you. Use that. Time to practice.